harbor fare. Got a truck for the work, got a coupe for the town, got a family ride that'll haul everybody round. No funny business, no hide and seek, just straight up numbers that'll make you want to speak.
All right, everybody, thank you for watching, clicking on the video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to recharge your AC system. Maybe that your AC not blowing as cold as it used to, and this normally is the problem. You want to check this before you start changing your AC compressor and all that other stuff like that, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is one of my little drive around cars here. It got 243,000 miles on it. Keep watching future videos. I'm gonna show you how to get your car in a high mileage like this, and it may last almost forever. I had this car right here, man, for close to 10 years. I bought it used, and it just keep going and going, right? So I'm gonna show you on this channel how to take care of your car so it'll run basically forever. So today I'm going to show you how to do that AC. So, okay, first of all, you want to make sure that your AC is turned all the way up to the max. So I'm going to turn my AC all the way up on full, make sure that it's on max. It's running. It's not blowing cold now, but I do feel the air coming out. You might can hear that. If you cut your AC on and your air is not coming out of your vents, then this is not going to fix your problem. You got a bigger problem. We'll address that in a later video. But this is for somebody who coolant, Freon is a little bit low, okay? So cut it, your AC on full max, all the way up on full max AC. It's just blowing, but it's not blowing cold, okay? All right, now some things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a can of refrigerant. You can get this from your local automotive store. All right, I paid $15 for this can. You can get it cheaper than that at Walmart. They sell them for like $6 or $7, right? I just didn't feel like driving that far. You gotta learn how to do this type of stuff to save yourself some money, because this is what I'm finna show you. If you was to go to a dealership and have them do it, they'll charge you $100, $150 to do that. Something that you can do for yourself for around, I'm gonna say altogether like 20 bucks, you know, because you got to buy this hose, of course, to get it hooked up. All right, you hook it up on your AC line, and you can easily find your AC line by locating your AC compressor. And your AC line gonna always be hooked to your AC compressor, okay? Now, it works like that on every car. Now, you don't have to worry about hooking it on the wrong line, because this system is different from the heat system. The heat system is smaller, so you can't get it wrong, right? Put the can on, empty your can, put the whole can in your car, okay? Bam, and there you have it. I'm blowing cold as the Antarctic in here now, right? But like I said earlier, right, this method won't work for you if your air is not blowing out of your vent system, right? You got another problem. This method only works for cars that just low on Freon, okay, or refrigerant, whatever you want to call it. So now, this is Ellis with Harbor Fare Auto. Go ahead and sub up. Got many more videos coming your way of all about cars. This channel is all about cars. I'm gonna teach you how to get your dealer's license. I'm gonna teach you how to buy and flip cars, because that's what I do. And we're gonna also teach you how to fix your cars yourself, so you ain't gotta keep going to these dealerships and let them knock your head off with these high prices. So until we meet, speak again, y'all be blessed.